Hello everybody, this is Rollo with Winter Bros, and welcome to this video presentation about restoring improperly clean coins and whether you should or should not do it. We'd like to start out by saying you should carefully consider cleaning any coin because it might decrease the value that other collectors place upon it if you choose to sell it in the future, or it could even possibly damage or destroy the surface of the coin. So always give careful consideration to cleaning any coin, and if you have any doubts whatsoever, do not clean your coin. Here we have a set of 10 early minted copper Wheaties from the U.S. Mint. They range from 1934 to 1936. We have 5 that are 1934, 4 that are from 1935, and then one final one from 1936. And if you look at these coins, just notice that all of them have this look like they've been cleaned in the past, but then of course they recirculated and picked up some filth and some dirt. The biggest examples are, if you look at the very first 1934, you see it's got that dull look, but it looks clean. And of course the 1936 has a dull look, but it also looks very clean too. Well, here's the first 1934 coin, and before we start showing you the 10 individual coins, we just like to apologize that some of the lighting for after they were cleaned on the right side. Left side is the previously cleaned, and then of course the right side is the restored. It didn't quite capture it, but we do have one final slide at the end where all 10 coins are shown, where it shows the luster that actually was brought back into the coins. So let's just go through the 10 coins. This is coin number 1. Here's coin number 2. I kind of apologize about the blurry left picture. It wasn't intentional. Here's coin number 3 in the lineup. Here's coin number 4 in the lineup. And here's coin number 5. Here's coin number 6. Here's coin number 7. Here's coin number 8. Here's coin number 9. And here's coin number 10. And now we'll move on to the picture with all 10 coins after they were cleaned. We reset our lighting and got some different angles to get this picture. Nothing has been retouched. This is an actual photo straight off. Still have a little bit of a shine from the lighting, but these are actually how the coins look. When I stare at my desk here to my right, I see them. This is exactly what I see. They're all got luster and shine and look just beautiful as beautiful can be. We'd just like to reiterate again once that if you decide to clean your coins or you're thinking about cleaning your coins, make sure you give it careful consideration. We wouldn't want you to lose any value of something that might be really high value out on the market. And then of course, if it's your choice, we know, but we think that if you have any doubts, please do not clean your coins. Only clean your coins if you know that it's going to improve the look of them, or improve the value, or something that will benefit you as the owner of the coin, and not what anybody else thinks about it. We hope you enjoyed this video presentation, and if you would please visit one of our websites and have a great day.